I think you know that the other day, on Saturday, that is, Nikhil did a podcast, right? And a little tragedy happened. Basically, he couldn't export the audio and he lost the entire audio footage. And he has no data whatsoever. But quite fortunately, I recorded the whole video for my footage. You might have seen the time lapse. And Nikhil was waiting downstairs for a while so that I can come down and give him the footage. But I was on a very long call with Anish, and it had been quite some time, so I was talking to him for almost 2.5, 3 hours, I guess. And I just ended the call. And that is why I just told Nikhil that I'm gonna come by and give you the footage. And I have everything stored in my laptop, not on the drive, so he has the drive, so I'll just go there and give it to him. I haven't spoken to Fluffy the whole day today, and she's constantly making a ruckus down there because she heard my voice. I was talking to dad and mom. So, let me just go downstairs. She's going to jump all around me now. Hey, Fluffy! Okay, a new thing. I'll be taking Fluffy as well to go and meet Nikhil. He was waiting for me. I just wanted to, go directly myself. So, I think Fluffy will also have a nice drive. She doesn't really leave the area anyway. So, I think this will be a good one for her. Appa! Navni bartananta. Well, Navneet is also coming along. And we are taking Fluffy. And Nikhil, though I did send him a text saying that I will be dropping by to get you the footage, he hasn't seen that yet. So now that me going over there to his place will sort of be a surprise. I don't think he's expecting me to drop by. Fluffy, shall we go out? Shall we go out, girl? Wait. ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ going oh Fluffy is totally enjoying it. She's getting all the fresh air that she needs. And she has no idea where she's really going. She's just excited at the moment. And Navneet says that she's taking advantage of him. She's jumping off. She's basically, putting her legs on the window panel as well. There's this beautiful park over here. You can even work out. I mean, there seems to be a lot of equipment where you can actually use for workout. And I just checked. Nikhil still hasn't seen it. I'll just go in and get Nikhil over here rather than taking Fluffy inside. You were on call. Call ಬಂದ ಬೈಲ್ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ Okay. Hey! Hi! Hi, girl! Hi!
It's okay. Oh my god.
Ba, it's okay, come. I mean, somebody else also came along to see you.
Okay. Fluffy is here. ಹಳೆ ಮನೆ
Why is she pulling around like that? What is she looking at?
Oh my god. She's all excited on
How was your flight? Okay, not very tiring.
बागला को कुछ नाये तरह आके अल्लूले ने इडली it's okay ಏನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ it's okay it's okay
Hey, bye bye, puta. Don't tell me she even actually shit over here or something. She did not shit, right?
No. What the fuck? Right? Yeah, she did.
Where? She did?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
You know?
Oh, sorry, literally. Hey, ಇವಳು ಹೊರಗಡೆನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೀನು. Where's the max you can go, girl? Where can you really go? Where can you go?
Thanks for coming, guys.
Hey,
Bye.
Fluffy, let's go. Hey.
So, bye, Sophie. Yeah, thanks.
Hey, bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Hey!
Fuck! Ready? Shashank ಬಂದ.